What are the main points of this episode? We'll be discussing chain links. I'm optimistic about Chainlink. Let's take a closer look. We are going to investigate it, as well as the news that is being released and the activities of all the whales. We are going to discuss the XRP. I've got you covered, so take a seat back and unwind. Take delight in this installment. Ethereum is currently trading at $370, down 2.6% from its peak of $57,200. It's probably best not to mention that the US dollar is still pegged to the Canadian dollar at 99, and guess what? Pinch yourself, refresh the screen, and do regardless of the task at hand. XRP is setting the standard. I wish not to speak too loudly. It should not be able to hear us. They begin to reverse course and head back down, but if you look closely, XRP has increased by about 5% over the last day. Arriving at 47, I am aware of the current situation. Really, is this the guy we live with? This is unable to. What is this twilight zone doing here that we are in it? XRP is aware that it cannot move and must remain steady at 5%, which is far too high. I do enjoy seeing it here for XRP, though. So that we can all get ready, let's get that push to 75 cents by the end of the year. For the most incredible and bullish 2025 we have ever witnessed in our XRP lifetime, to see the cryptocurrency market value reach $2 trillion, $128 billion. I'm going to take a sip of my coffee now as I'm exhausted. I have to finish it, and I was supposed to be at work a minute ago. It will serve as a utility. We are giving away tokens that are utilized on exchanges within the games we are developing. 2 NFTs are involved because of our chest, the community's chest, and the team's chest. You own 5,000 bronze chests. If you find this bundle, you'll receive 100,000 of these tokens at the initial price, which also grants you 15 points and a few more awesome NFTs, point for the token under consideration, I suppose. You could probably do 3 or 6 cents on that. The math is what we're looking for. That's what the conversation is implying. Once we sign on the dotted line, we'll be able to ascertain the specifics of their agreement regarding the cost of this. What are you doing, though? Acquire NFTs and receive XRP back for keeping them. A total of 700,000 XRP is returned. Since so many of you are passing up the chance of a lifetime to see the next cute penguin or hip cat, which is right in front of you, I'm going to launch a little YouTube series dedicated to the topic of luck and luck alone. Request that the project's current participants have a look at the leaderboard. Go check out our rich list and speak with the folks who have been here from the beginning. They say you may read this, and you can ask them. They have never completed a project as excellent as this one. Participated in or entered, they were ecstatic to be there because we are the only NFT project that is operating, and they earn XRP for the work we do. As a result, as we develop the games, which will be available this month, next month, throughout the year, and in the metaverse, they receive XRP, and they continue to receive XRP after the game launch. Some people don't understand this. I have to keep up, even though I have no idea what you do. I wanted the welcome ticker over here on the left-hand chain link. I wanted the welcome ticker. It's just a little annoying to booty, but that's okay. It appears like my stream deck froze. Move on, exit the screen. I'm not sure. Alright, whales with chains. What they're doing is excellent. This is precisely what people should be doing as the chain link. The dip is appealing to whales. Yes, it is correct. In recent weeks, large investors have shown a great deal of interest in linking the native token of the major Oracle network chain. Link Wells's accumulation has increased in response to the altcoin's drop, which as of press time was trading at $12.49. Within the past month, Link's cost has decreased by 18%. Giving this group of investors the chance to purchase the debt, people have declined every alternative cryptocurrency. As you may have noticed, starting June 20th, the amount of tokens that Wales is holding has been continuously increasing, ranging from 10,000 to 1 million. Group of Link holders amassed about 6 million Link tokens, which are valued at over 75 million people. This isn't a group of people who are like some sort of institutional group that is chain link. What's going on here? Considering the present, what is the price? $12.41. This could drop to $8 or $10, but it could also shoot bull smash the key. Degrees of resistance, you go if we stay. Above 1252, a critical supply wall, CR, will be tested at 1444, which would bring the price down to $125.50 for everyone. The link moves whenever it moves. I'm aware that many of you have a foul taste in your mouths as a result of seeing XRP move and increase by about 2 cents. This is significant for XRP when the chain link breaks. The price indicates how quickly these things start to push upward, with the XRP index increasing as we look at $241 as its next move when it starts to push. It will first go up to the 13th, then the 14th. The CEO of Ripple sees potential for CF benchmarks when the XRP index product is released. It states that CF benchmarks have introduced a new reference rate for XRP and ICP earnings. The introduction of reference rates was announced by the Chicago Mercantile Exchange on Wednesday, according to Amaral, the CEO of Ripple, as well as real-time IP and XRP indices. According to the CME Group's global head of trading, the official launch of the new reference rate is scheduled for July 29th, which is roughly 2 weeks from now, give or take 2 weeks and 2 days. Based on its design, a new benchmark will provide transparent pricing data to help market participants accurately value their portfolios. I'll give you the pricing information. The cryptocurrency project started with 24-hour cryptos and a suite of references. In response to the announcement of the reference rates and real-time indices, more than 93% of the investable cryptocurrency market. Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, stated, "This is the first step towards institutional crypto products." I can't remember where that moron was from, but he was talking about asking Tony if XRP would ever see an ETF. He said, well, there are 4 boxes, and the 4 boxes need to be checked. And according to him, there is no institutional demand for XRP. It's interesting, though, because the Chicago Merchant Exchange would not be adding an XRP index, folks, if they didn't think there was any institutional demand for XRP or crypto products. Thus, the organizations can collect data and information in real time regarding the praise of XRP. In other words, they can track this without being concerned about. They can detect and sort through the nonsense if any data or chart manipulation is going on. That is occurring, as we have observed. What are you talking about, Rip, with the coin market cap in the past? I'll explain. I'm referring to the period in 2017 when pricing data for XRP in the South Korean pair was removed from the coin market cap. This gave the impression that XRP's price was beginning to decline, signaling the end of the bull run and sending it into a downward spiral that continued until it reached 17 cents. Now that these indexes are available and have a direct connection to the information, they can pull precise data on these assets and pricing, separate the various currencies, and obtain actual information. Since everyone would have noticed that the price was just $2.80 if the coin market cap had only provided information to U.S. investors. However, the best part of this whole situation is that we will soon have access to an index thanks to the arrival of an XRP ETF. Well, that's it. Vanex, the head of digital assets, was there. Let me summarize what he said. At Vanek Liar, there is no consumer demand and no internal conviction for an XRP ETF. One more falsehood: why isn't there a single customer demand, but XRP has managed to stay in the top 10? In the absence of client demand, XRP's price would have dropped, placing it outside of the top 10, most possibly even in the top 20. People, stop listening. You are aware of the story. In this case, follow their advice to the letter. Or the contrary move they're making, you turn away to observe them purchasing XRP. Inexpensive, they're going to rush into an ETF and profit from it.